No, you're right. And in fact, I have had multiple discussions with a lot of our leaders, and I have had multiple discussions with the Honorable Speaker also of the Assembly. And we are of a very strong opinion that to certain extent, maybe like in terms of the motions and different resolutions, the debates that take place on the governor and the budget, maybe not question hour immediately, but certain areas along with the translations, even in the assembly, both Khasi and Garo language should be allowed to be spoken. And we feel strongly that this is something that should be done. Efforts are being made. I hope that we will be able to move this very, very soon. So you will see in the time to come that we will be, I don't want to talk about it right now without actually moving forward in it, but since you've asked me this question, we have already started the process and the discussion is on, and we are very, very serious, and we all feel that both Khasi and Garo language should be allowed to be used in the assembly, and at least certain parts, maybe not the question hour, but because it requires a lot of immediate thing, but along with translation and everything, both Khasi and Garo language should be allowed to be used.